Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Citi online account. So if you also want to log in Citi online account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is go to the official website of Citibank. For that, simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now type in online dot citi.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Citibank. Over here you'll be able to find several options like credit cards, banking, lending, investing, wealth management, open an account, etc. If you do not have an account, you can click on the option open an account. After that you'll be able to open an account for yourself. If you want to register for your Citibank online account, all you have to do is click on the register option that you can see right over here. After that you'll be able to register your account. So if you want to log into your account, it is very simple. For that, you'll need your user ID and password. All you have to do is enter the credentials. First of all, what you have to do is enter the user ID. Click on the box of user ID. Now simply enter your user ID. Now after entering the user ID, what you have to do is enter the password. Click on the box password. Now enter the password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you want to check your password, simply click on the eye icon that you can see right over here. After that, you'll be able to see your password. If you want this browser to remember your user ID, simply check on the box remember user ID. If you have forgotten your password or user ID, you can click on the option forgot user ID or password. After that, you'll be able to recover your account. Now after entering the user ID and password, all you have to do is click on the sign in option that you can see right over here. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Citi online account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.